Today we talk about how can you play partner program on your Medium app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click on your photo down here. So when you click on it, sorry, when you click on this photo, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on accounts. So then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just go down here and you click here on partner program here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on apply now. So then you come to this list. Before that, you have to have all this condition here. So like you say, it's not available in my country, but if you have it, it's going to take you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.